This is an intermediate slash advanced 2D sonar reading or deciphering, if you want to call it that. So I have a GT54 transducer, which is similar to the GT56 from Garmin. Mine's located in the back left corner over here, so I can jig my rod over the top of that if I need to. We're going to go into settings immediately and turn our gain up a little bit, not too much. And frequency, high chirp. You can also do 200 if you want. Range, auto, sonar setup, scroll speed, we want that maxed out. Source, noise rejection, off. Smoothing off, TVG off. Advanced, and back. And then edit overlays, not that one. Sonar setup, source, appearance. We want to turn A-scope on. And this is an advanced setting. This is called Echo Stretch. What that's going to do is make the target look a little bit bigger and easier to read. So those are my settings. And we are driving right on top of a hump right now, or going towards a hump. So now that we have our settings dialed in, and you can go back and rewind and watch that as many times as you want. It's free. I have no live scope in the water. I do have my trolling motor down just so I can spot lock when I do see a fish. But we're cruising right up on top of a hump that's covered in rocks. So that's why humps kind of get there, because they're glacial. And luckily with 2D, we can go as fast as we want. So I'm going 3.5 miles an hour, almost 4. And we can also pinch and zoom on the screen in that bottom corner there. That will help us see a little bit too. So I will start and stop a bunch until you find them. And they can literally be in one spot. I was on a spot this morning and I'd have a group of like 5 or 10 come in at once. It was awesome. So I marked that one, and there was a couple of them beside him. So they try to hunt in kind of like wolf packs, as I call them. That one's closing the gap, sure. Got him. Got him. Nice one. There we go. Drop that back down again. Another one down there. Oh, he's hot. He's hot. Crushed it. Crushed it. Feels like a bigger one that wants to take off. He does. He's taking off. He's taking off. Big bubbles from this guy. Big bubbles. Tight drag, folks. Super tight drag. You gotta have a tight enough drag to keep your rod loaded. Another beauty. Go back in. So that A-scope on the right-hand side is crucial to success. And then let me show you that that advanced setting. No, it's not advanced. Appearance. And it was Echo Stretch. So see how I can make my beam bigger? Makes it a little easier to see. Oh. I don't know where he went to. Pulled my tail down though. Gain is also very important. You want to adjust it so you have, you know, a strong enough return to see your jig. Right now we're only in 80 feet of water, so it's not stretching any sort of unit. Got it. There we go. Gain some leverage back on him. Tried though. Another one. We'll do one more. And then I just wanted to do a quick video about the settings because people are always asking. Subscribers are always asking. And let me show you the color palette real quick. So gain is 88, frequency is 200, beam width is, so if I know I'm in a really good spot, I had it at 18, back, and then we want back options, sonar setup, appearance, blue color palette, and then color gain is default, that's set at 0. So color gain, what that does is it kind of maxes out the color palette. So I just leave it at 0. Catch another fish here, drop down. But especially if you have like a small screen or you're staring like really far away from your screen, use that that echo stretch setting. It's really cool. I just found it recently. So I'm staring at the bottom right hand side of the screen, looking at echo, looking at a scope, holding it probably 15 feet off bottom, and I'm just holding it there waiting for a fish to interact with me. You can hold it closer to bottom, but then you don't get a ton of seeing time before a fish shows up. So a fish might see you before you see it, and that's when they ignore your jig. Another quick technique is to just let it sit in the mud and then rip it up bottom. Oh, we wanted it. Oh, his buddy wants it. Nope, changed his mind. And since we're so shallow, I can actually stare at that screen and not crook my neck the whole time. Slackline me. Slackline me. Got him. Got him. Just one last fish for the day. Back in. All right, so you guys know where to visit benditfish.com to support the channel. I'm using the grub in this video. And if you want to learn more about lake trout, either click here or click here, and I'll see you on one of those next videos. Thanks for watching.